Shenanigans, we are back. We are back for the second part of this video. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What do you see? You see something? No? No? Oh. Oh, okay. She wants to tell you all, hop in the truck, let's go. We got to get out there and find more stuff. All right. Love y'all. Let's go. Ooh, look at that chair, y'all. That's a cute little chair. Not coming in my truck, though. It's pretty worn. Anyway. Let's go down here and see about this pile. And then we'll turn around. Anything good? Nope, don't look like it. All right. We'll back into this driveway and then we'll head on out. We're going onward. Appears to be good. So let's check it out. Fresh cut grass. Let's see, is it good? It's got some problems. Yeah, some of the stuff is like the loops are unlooped, so we'll leave it. Yeah, we'll leave it. Have we ever gone way down here? Well, we'll do this first. Man, last few stops have been just boring, haven't they? Sorry about that. I'll try to do better. I'll try to do better. Maybe I should go check the stuff. That looks like a toy in there, but probably broken. Kind of looked at. Anyway, maybe I should start going and checking before I bring y'all along. That gets me every time. I think it's out for the trash and is not. All right, let's keep looking. Asked you if we've been down there before. I think that's the crazy road where it's got those roundabouts. And I don't know if you noticed, but there's a brown. It's the tar, and then it's got the brown bricks. And if you go up on those brown bricks, they're slanted. And it really throws off your driving. It's just weird. I've never seen anything like it until I saw it here. But this might not be it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Coming up. All right. That's all I had to say. We can take a lamp, can't we? There might be something over here too, I'm not sure. Not sure if that's their decoration or if that's trash. Oh, it's neither one. Yeah, good luck taking that, Nana. Getting a little bit of trouble taking that too. All right, let's go get this lamp and see if there's anything else. You know what? I think that's the same as the one I got. Almost, anyway. There's more wood on there than I want, but that's all right. We'll take it. It'll fit in here somehow. I'm gonna take this off though. We're not leaving that on. And it's not good, so I'll just toss it down here. All right. On we go. Feels like I have something in my shoe. Hold on. What is it? A rock. Doesn't feel real good when you got a pebble in your shoe. Not at all. Minnie, you're lucky. You don't have to wear shoes. Yeah, you're lucky. You're a lucky dog. Although it is a bummer when you step on those sand stickers. Yeah, that doesn't feel so good, does it? No. That's when shoes would be good. I think I'm just gonna go here because I don't see, well, I didn't think I saw anything, but now there's something down there that has me wondering. What is that sticking up out of this trash can? Really? I got tricked by a box. It's just a box. Although, I wonder if the volleyball thing is in it. Somebody's got rubber duckies all along their dash. I'll try to zoom in on it. Let's see, are you aiming at it? Alright, I'll try to zoom in on it. If you don't see anything, then I wasn't successful. But at least I told you about it. Nope. That's cute with those rubber duckies. The trouble is they get ruined then. And in this Texas heat, they might melt to your dash. How do they keep them sitting there when they take turns? Because you know with a little Jeep like that they're zipping. All right, onward. Somebody wants a fixer-upper. There you go. Nope, don't worry. Nana's not taking it. Looks like there's some pennies on it though, doesn't it? Let's see. I'll take some pennies if they are pennies. What are those? Drops of something, I guess. Oh, the drawer pulls are in there. We'll take those. Because that's just going to end up in the trash anyway. Nobody's going to want it. And I can make use of drawer pulls. So, look at that. It wasn't a stop for nothing. But we do got to get moving again. So, onward, but that way. So I'm gonna shut the truck off. We're gonna set this up first. I'm gonna get it up on the curb because it's a lot easier. This is a match to the one we got the other day. Just beat up a little bit more. Oh, and it's missing. It doesn't have that one part that was over here, so. And they didn't put clothes in it or leave clothes in it. All right, can we walk it now? Without ruining the grass. Then I'm going to back up to it. Let's see. We gotta rearrange this too. We'll back up first. Just want to kiss it. There we go. That'll work. I did more than kiss it, but that's okay. All right. Get this all arranged. I don't know where I'm going to put this right at the moment. We'll worry about that after. I think it'll stand right here. I think. All right, back it up. This one has monies in it. The other one didn't. Uh-oh. Didn't want that. A little cord. You get up here and stay. All right. I don't want to set it on my I didn't want to do that. All right. There. Fits good. Now that. Wonder if I should stand that up. Ooh, look what fell out. A foreign coin. I have no idea what it is. But it's cool. I don't want to get this dirty, so find a different spot for it. Right there, I guess. And then oh boy, that wasn't good. That is not what I wanted to do. Back and forth, forth and back. Back and forth, forth and back. Okay, you go up here for a second. You come here. You come way over here, please. There. Now you go back here. Like that. Okay, now the bin. It's gonna have to fit somehow. I'm gonna get those bungees. I think we're gonna have to stand it up. You doing good, Minnie? You okay? I'm gonna crush this. And throw it underneath here. There. Yeah, it'll have to be right there. That one go from there. Can go all the way over here, I guess. Can this one go the length? Or can this one go the length? Good. And this one will go from over here to here. There. Now I'm gonna stand it up right here. That way. Yeah, that looks good to me. Gonna wobble though, so I'm gonna tip over. Well, we'll tip it for now. We'll stand it up later. All right, got it. Much easier when you can use a curb. Can't always do that though. Nope, can't always do it. All right, that was a good stop. See y'all at the next one. Right, Minnie? Yep. Because everything's been nothing when I pull over. But look at this. This is better than the oh, you know who would like this probably. Great Nana. I'll see what Papa says. If he really wants it, we'll give it to him. Otherwise, we'll give it to Great Nana if she wants it. She might, because it's nice, as long as I don't ruin it. Okay, onward. It was not the street with these things. We're finally, it's a different neighborhood totally than what we were in before. Just the weirdest thing and irritating, but I'll tell you, I bet it slows people down. Although I did see one guy, he was evidently lived here and came through a lot because he kind of whipped through. So, all right, we're gonna look a little bit more and I think we're gonna head for home pretty soon, so. You'll know if I don't get anything else and you see my smiley face that you'll know that we're done. All right, onward. Anyone want a couch? You know, if me and Papa didn't have our new couch that we've got, I'd grab that. But I like the one we've got, so. Don't want to switch, not just yet. Anyway, we're heading that way, in case you couldn't tell. Metal. Not a lot, but there's some. A little bit's better than none. I think I'm gonna leave the metal on tonight, and after I take care of the dog and the cat at the vet's, then we'll head to the scrapyard. That fit in there? I think it might, sorta. Good enough. There, good enough there too. That probably could have been put back together. Oh well. Messed up now. Only good for scrap. Let's get our groove on. If I can get it out of here without making a mess. It's one of those scrap traps. What's this? A leash of some kind. Hey, in case this thing is good, I'm gonna grab that. Okay. Now the hardest part. Yay, we did it. We can take this can too. All right. Put it in there. There we go. I almost missed that. I actually drove up and passed it. And I didn't see it until I was coming back out. Happens that way sometimes. You want more? No? Okay, dump it out. I don't have any treats with, otherwise I'd give you treats. You want a treat when we get home? Yeah? Okay, we'll get a treat when we get home. Gotta wait though, okay? All right, y'all. That might have been our last stop. I don't know for sure. We'll know in a little bit. We got some good stuff today, didn't we? I'm pretty excited about this thing. Now you put that on the floor or carpet so that your chair can roll. That's a nice one. And then of course we got this stuff. Maybe that'll run. I don't know. Papa can tinker with it. Our big bin full of stuff. The dryer, which was a heck of a lot easier to lift because I put it on the curb. All this stuff. Now that it's cooling off, maybe I'll start processing some of this stuff. Yeah, I think we got everything secured well, so it won't fly out. Yeah, I'm glad these people are putting stuff out again. I was kind of bummed when they weren't. Anyway, I'm tired. Sorry about the shoddy camera work here, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Go out and love one another. Be kind. Be kind to one another. There was a guy on the way here. I started getting frustrated because he'd slow down, I'd get past him, and then he'd speed up again, and then I'd speed up a little bit more to stay ahead of him. And before I knew it, I was like speeding, and I'm like, what am I doing? Just ignore that guy and just keep driving at your own speed. And he kept doing that. He didn't do it to other drivers, just me. I don't know why. Just one of those things, I guess. Anyway, I chose to give him grace and let him do and be him. So, anyway, Minnie and I, we love you from the bottom of our hearts. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye!